to think that I couldn't be happy until I got the things that I wanted in life. But I've realized since then that that is not true and that you have to start today acting as if you already have that thing. If you believe in a higher power like God or the universe, then you might understand the concept of trust or faith. And for me, having trust and faith that things are going to work out how they're meant to work out has helped me so much in my life to let go of trying to control everything by trusting that it will come at the right time. And until that time comes, taking action to live in the way that is going to ultimately show God or the universe that I deserve to be doing that thing or to have that thing. It's not enough to just want something. You have to take action and you have to believe that it's actually going to happen. You have to believe that there's something working behind the scenes, even when you can't visually see it, that is helping you to achieve the things that you want. Without that trust, you will drive yourself insane trying to control every little aspect to make things go exactly how you want them to. You'll drain your energy. You'll miss opportunities that could have actually led you to where you should be going, and you just won't see the results that you're wanting. You see, we attract what we are, not what we want.
Say what?
We attract what we are, not what we want. So if you want to be somebody who is creating what they love every day and who has time and energy to do the things that they want to do, you have to start to see yourself as that person, but just start doing the things and not give yourself an excuse to say why you're not doing all those things, and trust that what you want is on its way. And that's how you will get everything you want in your life. What you believe is what you receive. And if you're in the mindset of,
well, I'll believe it when I see it,
then you're never going to see it. By shifting your beliefs and trusting that the universe has your back, you can do what you love every single day. So if you have any questions for me, I would love to answer them. I encourage you to start to examine your beliefs. Start trusting that what you want is on its way. My name is Sydney. I'm a student of life, a registered yoga teacher, a certified health education specialist. And if you found this video helpful, please share it with somebody you know. Subscribe to my channel to stay updated, and then check out my Instagram at @SidivSoul. I love you so much. Stay conscious, y'all. Bye.